So here are two 140-year-old yew trees, and just at the moment they're full of berries, full of yew berries, and if we come closer we can see that the ground is absolutely covered with red berries. The ground is laden with yew berries. Some of them are plump and ripe, some of them are going squishy and fading off in colour. Slugs have been eating some of them, but they're literally plastering the lawn under our feet. So what do yew trees mean for gardeners, and what do we need to look out for? When I was a child, we used to have a tortoise pen underneath this yew tree, and the tortoises did very well until late September came, early October came, the yew berries fell, the tortoises ate them, and the tortoises died. As many of you will know, everything about a yew tree is poisonous. The leaf and branches are poisonous to cattle, and the fruits are extremely poisonous to nearly all livestock, certainly to dogs, certainly to tortoises, and many other of our favourite pets, rabbits included. This is the reason why yew trees are grown in churchyards and not generally in people's gardens. They were grown in churchyards because bows were made for Agincourt and for subsequent warfare from the branches of yew trees, which are very subtle, and that's why churchyards have them. But the real reason the churchyards have them, and you don't generally see yew trees growing anywhere near fields or hedges, is because the berries are poisonous. If you have a yew hedge in your garden, you're absolutely fine, because if you trim it twice a year, it won't flower and it won't fruit, and you won't have lots of poisonous yew berries. But if you do, make sure you keep your dogs, your children, particularly your children, well away from your yew tree, or you will end up perishing rather like our tortoise did when my brother and I were children here 45 years ago.